Nightly Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Nightly Wallet app has quickly become one of the most talked about wallets in the web world. Known for its multi-chain flexibility and sleek design, it's making waves among developers and everyday users alike. But is it worth switching to? Let's explore the pros and cons. Nightly Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-chain wallet designed for the growing ecosystem of applications. It supports blockchains like Solana, Near, Aptos, and See all from one single interface. That's a huge advantage for users who don't want to juggle multiple wallets for different chains. A major pro is speed and simplicity. The interface is clean, responsive, and ideal for both desktop extensions and mobile use. You can connect to decentralized apps, manage NIFs, and handle multiple accounts seamlessly. For developers and NIF traders, this level of smooth integration makes a big difference. Security is another highlight. Since it's non-custodial, you maintain full control of your private keys. Nightly also includes encryption and password protection features that make wallet access secure without sacrificing convenience. Another pro is active development. The Nightly team consistently updates the app to add new networks and features, staying ahead in the fast-moving space. However, it's not without drawbacks. Being relatively new, Nightly still lacks some of the deep ecosystem integrations that older wallets like Phantom or MetaMask offer. Certain DeFi tools and apps may not yet recognize it by default. Also, while the wallet supports multiple blockchains, it doesn't yet cover giants like Ethereum or Bitcoin. So if you're focused mainly on those, you may need a second wallet. Lastly, as with all non-custodial wallets, the responsibility is on you. Lose your seed phrase, and your funds are gone forever. In conclusion, the Nightly Wallet app is a promising choice for the next generation of web users, especially if you're exploring emerging ecosystems like Solana or Sui. If you value speed, control, and a clean multi-chain experience, Nightly Wallet might just be your new favorite tool for the decentralized future.